Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing a science experiment called sticky ice, and for this we're going to need some things. We're going to need some salt that we can put in a bowl. We're going to need some ice cubes. We're going to need some water, a very small amount in the bottom of our bowl. We're going to need some string. We're going to need the scissors in case we need to cut the string. And we're going to need one more bowl to put in our ice cubes. Okay, so first thing is pouring the ice cubes into the water. We're going to try with our string to catch our ice cubes and lift them out of the water. It doesn't work. We need something to help. So we're going to put our string on top of our ice cubes and we're going to use the salt and pour it in. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time to lift it up. Ta-da! Sticky ice cube has stuck to the string and we have lifted it out of the water. Good luck with yours. Bye.